There's a way to study many courses and absolutely not lose your mind. You don't have to be in the library 247 to get the GPA of your dreams. So I'm going to be talking about three stages of things to do when you know that you have multiple courses. And this is just to ensure that during your exam, you are never going to be overwhelmed again. You're going to maximize your reading sessions and you're going to come out of school with all the A's and with all the knowledge that you want to be in school. And so I'm just going to talk about easy multiple steps that you're going to do within those three stages to ensure that you actually don't lose your mind. And I'm also going to be talking about something a little bit later about how to ensure that you're not going to miss assignment because trust me, you're going to have a lot of assignments. So let's get into it. To know all the courses that you're doing for this semester, and you have a slight idea of what your timetable actually is. We need to start strategizing and prioritizing to find out things that we're going to be doing to ensure that we actually end up reading all our courses and actually end up doing all our assignments. And yes, it's actually possible. And we see engineering students up for nothing less than 16 courses and 24 units. And then they're trying to be good. So then we're going to be tapping into something actually that is known as prioritization. And so I'm going to be using a time management block that you talked about. It said the 7 habits of highly effective people. And quadrant has 4 different sectors, which is urgent, not urgent, not important, and important. So we have number one, procrastinator, which focuses on the important and the urgent, which he puts off the things that are not that important and focusing on the things that one needs to do today. The prioritizer, which is the person that focuses on the things that are important and not urgent. And we have the person that focuses on the urgent and the not important, which is the anything that just comes up and needs to be done. Please follow me to camp. Please follow me to here. That's the person that you are. Yes, ma'am. And then the slacker, the person that does the non-urgent and not important, watches Netflix, bumps up and down. What does the timetable have to do with us making a sustainable timetable that we want to use to build all our courses? Well, in this case, for the sake of this video, we're going to actually be procrastinator, or more like the procrastinator and the prioritizer. Because what we're going to do is that you know that if you look at your course registration, not all your courses have the same units. Some of them are 3 unit courses, some of them are 2 unit courses, some of them are 1 unit, some of them are 0 units. Some of them, even though they are 0 units, you still need to practice them a lot. And so what are we going to do? We're going to spread our timetable such a way that okay, those ones that we know that they are 3 unit courses, we're going to give them a whole lot more reading slots. Those that we know that are 0 unit courses, we know that we're going to give them maybe like 1 slot or 2, that kind of thing. You understand what I'm saying? In this case, we have to be procrastinator because if we spend our time focusing on 0 unit courses, when 3 unit courses are there suffering, it's not going to look good for us in the long run. But one thing we need to know is that those 3 unit courses now, you need to ensure that they are the ones that have prior to their reading time, the ones that appear the most, because those are things that are actually going to shape your GPA. And for those that are doing 6 unit courses and 4 unit courses, I'm going to quickly show you how my requirement looks like so that you can understand what I'm going to say. So I don't really know if you can see this, but like here we have MC 321, GC 321, 320, all this kind of different things. This is GC 320. It's a 3 unit course, it's appearing twice. But I'm also doing CNC 321. I don't think it's even understandable to start. Why? Because I know that it's something that I'm already paying attention to class and I can easily construct and all that on SolidWorks, so I don't need it to be there too many times. EDS and DLD. EDS is not my timetable only ones. I know that I still have to actually read those ones. But like TMT and DLD are not on the timetable. Why? Because I know that the real lessons from those courses are not when I'm reading. But like those things I prioritize the class. Courses like I know that okay, this is the calculation course. Like courses like for example into 322, you can see they're here twice because these are calculation courses and they need to be prioritized. So that's the kind of thing you need to be arranging with one time table to ensure that you can actually balance out all your courses and actually read all of them during the semester. So stage 2 actually happens during class. In this kind of case, you know that you are doing 16 courses. So there's absolutely no way that the timetable is going to be full. So like this time when you're going to maximize and take advantage of your class period because you know that these class periods are taking up the time that you have normally used to read. So pay attention to actually using your class periods as what you should do when you know that you have multiple courses because you're not going to have that time to be experiencing and all that. So the best thing you can do is to pay attention to class when you don't understand as lecture questions when you don't get actual friends in class what can take all the details. I'm going to save you a lot of time because you have 60 courses. Where is time coming from? Because we have extracurricular activities, service units, clubs, etc. etc. We have family, friends. There's many things that we do with our lives. And so there's not enough time because now you're doing, like I said, 16 courses. It's not everything, it's not so we need to focus on tell you that stage three is not the most important step, I'm definitely going to be lying to you. Stage three is the one thing that I know that if you get it right, you're going to be clean like 10,000 beds with just one step. Stage three is one thing that I know that even if you fail that stage three, it's not that stage one. If you get to stage three, you don't need anything else to do. So just actually short this part, this part is going to change your life. So stage three actually has three parts. The first part is finding out what kind of learner you are. Are you a visual learner? Are you a body learner? What kind of learner are you? That's the first part of stage three. That we are not just trying my ability to learn something that we know that by the kind of person that understand better what we want with ourselves, by the kind of person that understand better what we want to do. You know that kind of thing. So that we're actually maximizing our time. So because I'm always believing in the description that it's going to understand what kind of learner you are. The only thing that you have to do to pay me is to take pictures like so that other people can actually get to know the information so that you can maximize as well life as well. And so after you found out which kind of learner you are, what are you going to do? You're simply going to jump down on what you already know is actually working. That's the next thing to do. You know that okay, now we found out okay, yeah, for example now me now. Don't just try and segregate yourself to just one type of learning. Try and use all of them, but when you're reading by yourself, make sure you double down on the type of learning that's actually for you. And then the third step is actually to work smart to work. One thing that is benefits you when you really participate in active learning and not passive learning. The whole summarizing this thing, after I think it's only useful when you're trying to understand the course for the first time. If you're doing it over and over again, there's absolutely no benefits. One thing you should definitely do that when you know that okay, I've read stuff before and you're going to read any topic, try and see what you can remember yourself from the last topic. That's your practicing active record, something that you've learned before. Then you can actually be sure that okay, I've learned it, I've understood it, and when they ask me to say it and explain it, I can recall it, I can produce it, and I can excel in it. And I know I promised you guys that the extra thing that can help you with your assignments. So a recent thing that I've started doing this semester is that when I have assignments, I simply go back to the end of the month or my notes and I have an assignment. So that on Saturday, because I now go to all my notes and find out basically where I wrote, I have an assignment, I have extra reading, all this kind of things. So that I can write down all the students that I have assignments to do. Then once I've seen that, I can do all my assignments maybe throughout Saturday so that on Sunday I can focus more on reading. So I can be sure that I've actually done all my assignments. Not the one that they'll be asking me on Tuesday, where's your assignment? And I'll be looking at check. What's that? And so that will definitely going to help you to be sure that you're meeting up with deadlines, you're meeting up with extra study that you're meant to do. And I just hope that for all those that are battling with extra courses out there, for all those that are doing 60 courses, just remember that you can do all the things Christ has strengthens you, including doing 25 minutes. But if you don't even have motivation to study or have any vibe at all to do anything, on these things that you read, you're not even going to be able to see the results. So I'm going to maybe early into this video says like find out how to study